In the quiet of the night, a door opens within us, leading to landscapes of infinite possibility and profound self-discovery. If you've ever felt a curiosity about the depths of your mind, or yearned to tap into a greater sense of awareness and control within your dreams, you're in precisely the right place. Lucid dreaming is a fascinating state of sleep where you realize you're dreaming and can take control. It can also be a transformative journey that offers profound insights into the nature of your consciousness and reality. By mastering lucid dreaming, you will gain the ability to explore terrains of your psyche that remain untouched in your waking life. This exploration can be thrilling as well as deeply healing. It enhances self-awareness, fosters psychological healing, and can be a potent tool for spiritual enlightenment. The practices we'll explore today have been treasured within various spiritual traditions for centuries, serving as gateways to inner truths and higher states of consciousness. These ancient roots of lucid dreaming, acknowledged by mystics and sages, have now been explored and validated by modern psychology. Today, we stand at a unique crossroads where ancient wisdom meets contemporary science, offering us unprecedented opportunities to explore our inner worlds. This journey into lucid dreaming opens a pathway to understanding ourselves better and enhancing our daily lives with greater mindfulness and creativity. Lucid dreaming is more than just a psychological phenomenon. It serves as a profound metaphor for the illusory nature of reality, a concept deeply rooted in Eastern philosophies such as Buddhism and Hinduism. In these traditions, the world we perceive in our waking state is often described as Maya, an illusion crafted by our senses and mind. Similarly, in a lucid dream, the dreamer becomes aware that the environment and scenarios they are experiencing, though vivid and seemingly real, are actually fabrications of their own mind. This realization has profound implications for spiritual growth and enlightenment. When you become lucid in a dream, you gain not only awareness of the dream's unreality, but also the power to control and explore it consciously. This parallels the spiritual quest for enlightenment, where one strives to recognize the nature of their own mind and reality, ultimately gaining mastery over their perceptions and reactions. Achieving this level of insight through lucid dreaming begins with setting clear intentions. Before sleep, a practitioner might meditate on a specific goal or philosophical question they wish to explore within the dream. This act of intention setting is crucial, as it primes the mind to remain alert during sleep, transforming the dream state into a canvas for spiritual inquiry and self-discovery. As you navigate the dream world knowing that you are dreaming, you can experiment with altering the dream landscape, engaging with dream characters, or even attempting tasks that defy physical laws, such as flying. Each of these actions can be seen as exercises in understanding and transcending the limits imposed by conventional perceptions of reality. Over time, this practice can lead to a deeper understanding of the self and the universe, reflecting the principles of non-attachment and the recognition of the interconnectedness of all things. Through lucid dreaming, we can explore these profound truths not as mere intellectual concepts, but as lived experiences, deeply felt and vividly remembered. This exploration can radically shift our understanding of what is possible, both in our dreams and in our waking life, paving the way for genuine self-realization and a step toward enlightenment. In the journey of personal growth and self-awareness, lucid dreaming serves as a unique and invaluable tool for engaging with the shadow self, a term coined by psychologist Carl Jung to describe the parts of our psyche that we deny or reject due to societal norms, personal fears, or past traumas. These are aspects of ourselves that remain hidden in our subconscious, often surfacing only in our dreams in symbolic or direct forms. Lucid dreaming provides a rare and safe environment to confront these shadow aspects directly. With the awareness that you are dreaming, you can approach potentially frightening or uncomfortable scenarios with curiosity and courage, knowing that no physical harm can come to you. This safe space allows for a unique form of psychotherapy, where you can interact with different facets of your shadow, ask them questions, and even offer them compassion. Experts in the field, such as Robert Waggoner and Charlie Morley, advocate for the use of lucid dreaming as a method of shadow integration. They provide techniques such as facing and conversing with dream characters that embody shadow traits, or deliberately summoning a challenging personal issue in the dream to work through it. These practices enable you, the dreamer, to achieve greater psychological wholeness by reconciling internal conflicts and accepting suppressed parts of yourself. The therapeutic outcome of such engagements is profound. Not only does it lead to greater inner harmony, but it also enhances waking life by reducing fears and biases, improving emotional responses, and fostering a deeper sense of empathy towards oneself and others. Integrating the shadow through lucid dreaming empowers individuals to embrace their full potential, acknowledging all parts of their being without judgment. Lucid dreaming opens up a unique realm where the conventional rules of reality do not apply, providing an exceptional platform for personal experimentation and growth. In this vividly immersive environment, individuals have the opportunity to rehearse real-life skills or confront personal fears without any real-world consequences. This aspect of lucid dreaming is particularly valuable because it allows for safe, repeated exposure to feared situations, which can significantly reduce anxiety and enhance overall confidence. The practical applications of lucid dreaming in overcoming fears and developing skills are boundless. For instance, someone with a fear of public speaking might choose to practice their speeches in front of a dream audience. Similarly, athletes might use lucid dreams to perfect their techniques, and artists might explore new creative ideas. The key is maintaining lucidity within the dream to manipulate the scenario actively and purposefully. To achieve and maintain lucidity, techniques such as reality checks throughout the day are essential. These techniques can include performing actions that distinguish between waking and dreaming states, such as reading text or checking a watch, which might behave unpredictably in dreams. Additionally, maintaining a dream journal helps to improve dream recall and awareness. Once lucid, it's crucial to stabilize the dream by rubbing hands together or spinning around to prevent waking. This stability allows for more prolonged and controlled exploration and interaction within the dream environment. By practicing skills or facing fears in lucid dreams, you can translate these experiences into real-world enhancements. This direct application promotes skill proficiency as well as significant personal transformation, empowering you to face life's challenges with renewed confidence and competence. Integrating lucid dreaming techniques into your daily routine enhances your mindfulness and sharpens your ability to distinguish between waking and dreaming states. Begin by incorporating mindfulness exercises that heighten your awareness, like meditation, journaling, or observational practices. These not only prepare you for lucidity, but also enrich your daily life with enhanced self-awareness. Setting a clear intention before sleep is crucial for initiating lucid dreams. Affirm to yourself each night, "Tonight, I will realize I'm dreaming," and visualize yourself becoming lucid in a dream. This mental rehearsal makes it more likely you'll achieve lucidity. Reality checks are essential in cultivating the ability to become lucid. These involve simple tests performed throughout the day that help you distinguish dreams from reality. For example, try pressing a finger against your palm. If it goes through, you're dreaming. Other effective checks include counting your fingers or observing a clock to see if the time remains consistent. Perform these reality checks now, even as you watch this video. You might be dreaming this very moment without knowing it. To make reality checks a habit, set reminders on your phone or use apps like Oniri, which prompt you to perform these checks throughout the day. This continuous practice should become second nature, ensuring that the habit transfers into your dream state. Consistency and critical self-awareness are key. Each reality check should be done with genuine scrutiny. Always question your state of consciousness, assuming you are dreaming until proven otherwise. The goal is to ingrain these practices deeply enough that they no longer require reminders. Reflective practice also plays a significant role. Immediately after waking, write detailed entries in a dream journal, reflecting on your experiences and their connections to your waking life. This not only improves dream recall, but deepens your understanding of your subconscious patterns. Through persistent and mindful application of these techniques, lucid dreaming can evolve from a mere curiosity into a transformative tool for personal development, allowing you to explore profound insights and achieve significant personal growth. Regularly practicing lucid dreaming will enhance your ability to control your dreams over time, as well as enrich your waking life. This practice allows you to explore personal boundaries and potentials in a safe environment, fostering personal growth. Lucid dreaming can provide spiritual insights, strengthen the connection with the subconscious, and improve psychological resilience, leading to better stress management in daily life. However, like any skill worth mastering, lucid dreaming comes with its challenges. One common hurdle is maintaining lucidity within the dream. To counter this, engage more deeply with the dream environment. Touch the ground, smell the air, and actively interact with the dream scene to stabilize your awareness. Another frequent issue is dream recall, crucial for reflecting on and learning from your dream experiences. Enhancing dream recall can be supported by maintaining a dream journal. Writing down your dreams as soon as you wake up not only preserves the details, but also strengthens the neural pathways associated with dreaming. In addition to lifestyle adjustments and practice techniques, certain supplements are reported to enhance the lucid dreaming experience. Substances like galantamine, choline, and 5-HTP have been studied for their potential to increase dream clarity and recall. Another notable aid is mugwort, a herb traditionally used for its dream-enhancing properties, which promotes more vivid and memorable dreams. For those interested in trying mugwort, you can find it through the first link in the description below. However, it's essential to approach these supplements with caution, consulting healthcare providers to avoid adverse effects and ensure they are suitable for your health profile, as they can be dangerous when combined with certain other supplements or medications. When used responsibly, these supplements can serve as valuable tools to augment your practice, especially when combined with consistent sleep hygiene and dream journaling. It's also important to consider lifestyle factors that can impact lucid dreaming, particularly substance use. The use or misuse of substances like caffeine, marijuana, and alcohol can significantly interfere with sleep quality, lucidity, and dream recall. These substances disrupt REM sleep, the phase most associated with vivid dreams, thereby reducing the frequency and clarity of lucid dreams. Avoiding or reducing consumption of these substances, especially in the hours leading up to your dedicated sleep time, can greatly improve your lucid dreaming experiences. By embracing these strategies and committing to regular practice, you can overcome these challenges and unlock the transformative potential of lucid dreaming. This ongoing journey not only allows for exploring fantastical dream worlds, but also fosters a deeper understanding of your inner self, contributing to your overall personal development. Lucid dreaming, a practice that offers spiritual awakening and personal empowerment, also deepens our understanding of our own consciousness. Through lucid dreaming, we can confront our deepest fears, integrate hidden aspects of ourselves, and harness our inner potential in ways that resonate far beyond our dreamscapes into our daily lives. I encourage you to view lucid dreaming not just as a technique, but as a transformative spiritual practice. It's an adventure that invites you to explore the boundaries of your mind and the depths of your spirit. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Please share your experiences or challenges with lucid dreaming in the comments below. Let's build a supportive community where we can learn from each other and grow together on this incredible journey. Remember, the world of your dreams offers limitless possibilities for exploration and growth. Start tonight and see where your dreams take you.